How to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription on desktop and mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your desktop. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll find this kind of screen. Here at the top right corner of your screen, click on the gear icon. Then click on Billing. After you click on Billing in here, it will show you all your billing history, and there you'll find your CapCut Pro subscription that is going on. Press on it and then press on cancel. To cancel your CapCut Pro subscription on mobile, open the CapCut app and then click on Pro at the top left. There you'll find this kind of screen. Simply click on Manage. After you click on Manage, it will give you the billing history. From there, press on Cancel at the bottom and cancel your subscription. This is how to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription on desktop on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.